Fresh daily challenge, guess 0 of 10. No feedback yet. Accepting cookies first, then focusing the search field and typing a distinctive, well-known movie Inception to seed a broad first guess and get feedback on type, year, rating, and overlaps. Waiting for the suggestion dropdown to populate. Type card is green for my Inception as a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with a down arrow, so target is older than 2010 by more than 2 years pre-2008. Rating 8.8 is red with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.3. Genre overlap, action is green. Adventure and sci-fi are gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. DiCaprio, Gordon Levitt, Page, Nolan all not highlighted. Constraints, movie, released before 2008, IMDb under 8.3, has action genre but not adventure or sci-fi. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Constraints, released before 2008, IMDb below 8.3, action genre yes but not adventure/sci-fi. I'll try Gladiator 2000, an action movie with rating 8.5 from before 2008, to test year/rating direction and test. Typing into the search field to open suggestions. Type card is green for Gladiator movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2000 is red with a down arrow, so target is older than 2000 pre-1998. Rating 8.5 is red with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.0. Genre overlap, action green and drama green, adventure gray not on target. No actor or director overlap. Crow, Phoenix, Nielsen, Ridley Scott not highlighted. Constraints, movie, released before 1998, IMDb below 8.0, has action and drama genres but not adventure or sci-fi. Avoid Inception and Gladiator. Type card green for Gladiator movie, so target medium equals movie. Constraints, released before 1998, IMDb below 8.0, has action and drama but not adventure. Braveheart 1995, rating 8.4 is an action/drama/war film before 1998, it tests the year and rating direction further. Typing into the search field to open suggestions. Type card is green for Braveheart a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1995 is red with a down arrow, so target is older than 1995 pre-1993. Rating 8.3 is red with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.3 below 7.8. Genre overlap, only drama is green, biography and war are gray. Only drama confirmed so far plus action from earlier guesses. No actor or director overlap. Mel Gibson not highlighted. Constraints, movie, released before 1993, IMDb below 7.8, has action and drama genres but not adventure, sci-fi, biography or war. Avoid Inception, Gladiator, Braveheart. Type card green for Braveheart movie, so target medium equals movie. Constraints, released before 1993, IMDb below 7.8, has action and drama, but not adventure/biography/war. Die Hard 1988, 8.2 is an action/thriller, from before 1993 it tests year, direction and cast, though rating may still be high. Actually to better fit a low rating add action plus drama, but Die Hard is a solid pre-1993 action test. Typing to open suggestions. Type card is green for Die Hard a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1988 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target is within 2 years and older, so target year is roughly 1986-1988. Rating 8.2 is red with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than 7.7. Genre overlap, action is green, thriller is gray. So target has action and drama from earlier but not thriller. No actor or director overlap. Bruce Willis, Alan Rickman, Bonnie Bedelia, John McTiernan not highlighted. Constraints, movie, year 1986-1988, IMDb below 7.7, action plus drama genres, not thriller/adventure/war/biography. Avoid Inception, Gladiator, Braveheart, Die Hard. Type green for Die Hard movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1988 is yellow down arrow equals target within 2 years and older, so 1986-1988. Rating 8.2 red down equals below 7.7. Genre action confirmed, plus drama earlier. I'll guess Platoon 1986, an action/drama/war film from, at window rating 8.1 tests direction and cast/genre. The search field is empty and ready. Typing to open suggestions. Type card is green for Platoon a movie, so target medium equals movie. Genres for Platoon, drama is green on target, war is gray not on target. So earlier assumption about war was correct, target is not war. No actor overlap. Charlie Sheen, Tom Berenger, Willem Dafoe not highlighted and no director overlap. Oliver Stone not highlighted. A poster hint modal is now visible showing a pixelated poster. Combined constraints, movie, year 1986-1988 older side, IMDb below 7.7, as action and drama, but not war/thriller/adventure/sci-fi/biography. Avoid Platoon and prior guesses. Next I should close the modal and guess an action plus drama film from 1986-1988 with rating under 7.7, such as The Untouchables or Full Metal Jacket, but F&J is war. Type card green for Platoon movie, target medium equals movie. Year 1987 is green, target is 1987 exactly. Rating 8.1 red down arrow equals target below 7.6. Genre drama green, or gray. So Target is a 1987 movie, drama genre plus action earlier, rating below ~7.6, not war/thriller. The Untouchables 1987 is crime/drama/thriller rated 7.9 close, but thriller was gray earlier. Let me try it anyway since it's a strong 1987 action/crime/drama fit, rating 7.9 tests direction. Clicking the search field and typing. Type card is green for The Untouchables, a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1987 is green with a check mark. Target year is exactly 1987. Rating 7.8 is RED with a down arrow, so target rating is lower than ~7.3. Genre overlap, crime is green and drama is green, thriller is gray not on target. Actor overlap, Kevin Costner is green/highlighted on target, Sean Connery and Robert De Niro not highlighted. Director Brian De Palma not highlighted. Big clue, 1987 movie, crime plus drama genres, rating below ~7.3, features Kevin Costner. Kevin Costner in 1987 equals No Way Out 1987, thriller, no or The Untouchables use. Actually Costner's 1987 crime/drama could be No Way Out rated 7.0, crime/drama/mystery/thriller. That fits crime plus drama, 1987, rating ~7.0 below 7.3, and Costner. Confirmed from screenshot, The Untouchables type equals movie green, year 1987 green exact, rating 7.8 RED down target below ~7.3, crime plus drama green, thriller gray, Kevin Costner highlighted green. So target medium equals movie, 1987, crime plus drama, rating below 7.3, features Kevin Costner. No Way Out 1987, Kevin Costner, crime/drama/mystery, rated ~7.0 is a strong match. Typing into the search field to open suggestions. Nailed it. The answer was No Way Out from 1987, and I cracked it in 7 guesses. The clincher was The Untouchables locking in the exact 1987 year plus a Kevin Costner actor match which pointed me straight to his 1987 crime and drama thriller with a rating just under my target. No Way Out it was.